All right, so let's say you're looking to safeguard your wealth, or at least some of it. And since we're living in these crazy, unpredictable times, well, then you're going to love this video. Because I'm going to show you a little trick that can make all the difference. Now, let me explain, all right? I'm sure there's moments when you feel that creeping anxiety about the future, right? High interest rates, bank failures, the looming shadow of a recession. I mean, it almost sounds like the ghosts of the 2008 financial crisis, right? Well, keep watching because it's not all doom and gloom. Because today, you're going to discover some of the secrets of an increasingly popular investment option, the Gold IRA. So sit back and let's dive in. Now, let's lay down the groundwork, all right? I'm sure you may be familiar with a 401k. It's the go-to employer-sponsored retirement savings account for many folks out there. But behind the scenes is a lesser known but equally significant player, the IRA. Now, IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account, which, much like your 401k, it's a tax advantage pathway to saving for retirement. And these can come in different flavors, the traditional IRA and the Roth IRA, each with its own unique set of advantages. But this brings us to our main act, the Gold IRA. It's just like its IRA siblings, but with a unique twist I think you're going to love. Instead of investing in typical financial instruments like stocks or bonds, a Gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold coins or bars, silver as well. Now imagine that, real gold and silver in your retirement fund, and for good reason too. Because you might be wondering, why would anyone stuff their IRA with shiny gold? Well, there's three important reasons. Investing in gold aids in portfolio diversification, proving to be a raft during turbulent economic times. It has stood the test of time as a trusted safe haven for hundreds of years, even as economies ebb and flow. Moreover, gold is a resilient hedge against inflation, and it's an incredibly liquid asset, especially in times of recession, because it's an easy asset to cash in on when the markets are down. You with me here? All right, because now let's talk about the nuts and bolts. How much can you actually contribute to your Gold IRA, or any IRA for that matter? Well, for this year in 2023, the limit is $6,500 or $7,500 if you're 50 or over. That's what's called a catch-up contribution. Now, I know what you're thinking. That might not seem like a lot, but here's where the plot thickens. There's a loophole, and it could be the one thing that saves your retirement. Now imagine a magic door where you could put as much money as you could into a Gold IRA without being limited by the contribution limits. Well, this is very real, and it's called a rollover. Now you see, a rollover is like a magic door, allowing you to transfer funds from a 401k to an IRA. So if you have a 401k and you're not happy with it, this might be the answer you're looking for. And if you're an IRA collector with multiple accounts, you can even transfer funds between them. But here's the showstopper. There are no limits. Yes, you heard that right. You could transfer $100,000, $500,000, or even $1 million. Now keep in mind though, the IRS isn't going to let you off that easy. They do have certain rules and regulations that need to be followed. So to be sure you get all your ducks in a row before you execute this financial gymnastics. Okay, now let's say you're sold on the idea that a Gold IRA is your ticket to protecting your retirement, but you want to know the next steps, right? Great. Let's talk logistics. The process is generally straightforward, but like any financial venture, it can be a bit of a maze. This is where companies like Goldco come into the picture. With the help of their specialists, you can sail smoothly through the process of establishing a Gold IRA. From handling the paperwork to sourcing IRS-approved precious metals, these experts can turn the daunting into the doable. So if you've been concerned about the limits on Gold IRA contributions, remember, with the power of a rollover, you can transfer as much as you want into a Gold IRA. And whether you're in the market to buy Gold gold coins directly, or you're looking to roll over assets into a gold IRA, then you've got options, because with Goldco, you're in safe hands. And to get the details of everything that we talked about here, including how you can even get an extra $10,000 or more in free silver from Goldco, then click the link in the description below, and they're going to FedEx you a free copy of their Wealth Protection Kit with over $2 billion in precious metals placements and a long list of satisfied customers, including 5-star ratings from the Better Business Bureau. Goldco has certainly earned their stripes in the industry and is one of the most respected and respectable for good reason. So all you need to do is click the link in the description, add your name, confirm your address, and then they're going to take it from there for you. Heck, they're even going to cover all the shipping and handling charges for you. But remember, if you're looking for a way to help protect your retirement savings from whatever's about to come, it's your duty to take advantage of every resource at your disposal. So don't wait until it's too late. Request your free kit today to protect your hard-earned savings from another financial disaster. And see how you can get up to $10,000 or more in free silver today. Click the link below now.